Hey guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. The hair comes in this pink bag. This wig is from the YeiPei store on Amazon. This is their 16-inch curly 13x4 lace front. The wig is unprocessed Brazilian Remy hair and is 150% density. The hair doesn't smell great. It has a chemical smell to it, and the ends of the hair, they don't look that good. They feel really rough and look thin. The lace is a transparent light brown color. It does have a few baby hairs. On the inside of the cap, it has 2 clips near the front, a clip on the bottom with adjustable straps and additional lace. The hair doesn't feel that soft, and I don't really like how the curls look. Now I'm just going to wet the hair. And this is how much the hair shed while I was wetting and running my fingers through the wig. I use this coconut oil spray to make the hair shine and smell better. And I use this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker spray to soften and define the curls. After that, I put my wig cap and the wig on and I cut the lace. The wig does fit alright and it is adjustable. I actually don't like how the lace closure looks. I feel that it's not enough hair available to be able to make the part longer and deeper, especially on the sides of the lace front. To glue the wig down, I use this Got2b Ultra Glued styling gel. It gets the job done, and I usually only keep my wigs on for a day or a few hours. Then I went in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The color is 360 Mocha Mocha, and I put it on my part in the front of the lace. Next, I use this Style Factor Edge Booster to do my edges. And then I just tied my edges and the lace down. So guys, this is how the hair turned out. I think the part came out decent, but I am not a fan of this wig. The ends of the hair look dry, and the hair is pretty stiff and see-through. But let me know what you guys think of this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.